guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 4, making the moves. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're looking at 4.3, A to B to C. So, sorry, put this note down. Here we have some figures on an isometric grid. So remember, isometric is where we've got all the little triangles instead of having the usual squares that we're used to having. Oops. Hang on. There we go. Okay, so we want to name a transformation that takes figure A to figure B, then name the transformation that takes figure B to figure C. So figure A to figure B. How did we go from being over here to over here? Well, we did a translation. So from A to B, translation. Or you can say slide. From B to C, what'd we do? So how did we go from being up here to being down here? And now we're not quite at the same angle we were before, right? It looks a little different. This one, the sides are vertical, whereas this one, they're at an angle. So how'd we get there? There's a couple different ways we could have gotten there, actually. So one is we could have reflected over this line if it were a straighter line, obviously. Because notice this point here is one triangle away from this one here, from this line, and then this one is as well. So they're the same distance from the line. The same would hold true for the other ones. So it could be a reflection, or it could be a 60-degree rotation about this point right here. So it's reflection or 60-degree rotation. Now, for 2, what is one sequence of transformations that takes figure A to figure C? Explain how you know. So we go from A to B, and then to C. So we do the translation, then we do the reflection or rotation. Our sequence of transformations then is just doing the translation, then a reflection. So a sequence of transformations means doing more than one transformation to get from your original image, so your pre-image, to your final image. So there may not always be this B in the middle. It may just be A to C, and we have to figure out how to get there. Well, first we can translate it, then we can reflect it or rotate it. So knowing that there's different ways, and sometimes you may have to do multiple transformations to get between your figures, so between your images. So your keyword for this lesson is sequence. Sequence is your keyword for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day, guys.